So, you guys have been asking me how I'm liking the new Melco Summit. Well, I actually love it. And I'm doing some jackets right now. Let me show you real quick. Alright, so here's the design. It's for a card detailing company. It has almost 7,000 stitches. It's about 4 inches in width and about 2 inches in height. We are going to have the speed at 850, and I'm gonna set my active feet at 11. So let's get to it. Remember, press your foot all the way down. Okay, and let's get ready. Now, while that's getting embroidered, let's go ahead and hoop our other jacket. And you guys know me, I use mighty hoops. And I like to use 2 sheets of cutaway. So like I said, we are running currently at 850. I'm gonna crank it up a little bit. We're gonna run it at 1,000 now. And if you guys want to see how 1,500 stitches sounds like, whoo, like a Hellcat. We got about a minute left until this design is done, so we can do the other jacket. Which is taking about, it'll probably be done in 9 minutes. So this jacket took about 9 minutes to complete. So we got another one that we're gonna do, so we're gonna finish in about 18 minutes total. About to be done. Okay. All right, let's load our other jacket. And we're gonna clean off this one. There's maybe 1 or 2 little threads that are sticking out. All right, let's go. Get my lighter. Remember, you cut, you want to cut away from the fabric of the item. So always cut going up. And you'll never cut the fabric doing it this way. See? Let's just cut these two little threads. Perfect, perfect. Finish it with a light little burn, just to keep those threads nice and tight. Alright, so I'm done with this order. So repeating customer of mine, and he just needed two jackets, which normally I have a minimum of 6, but since he's a customer of mine, repeating customers, usually I go ahead and do things like them for them. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this off and ship it to him. Okay, we got one little thread here. I'm gonna light it, tighten up. All right, jacket number 1 and jacket number 2. And the colors that we did for this design was 3 colors. We did gray, we did white, and we did red. So it's a 3-color design. Again, let me show you right here. And we did it in about 20 minutes. Now I've been running this for a while now, maybe like a week now, and man, I love this thing. It's just easier for me to send my files directly to the machine with this touchscreen versus the traditional way, I guess, or back in the day with the EMTs, these you have to send them through the computer. So you have to go to design shop and then send it to you to the OS. And I don't know, to me I just feel like it's a little bit easier getting your design from your digitizer, right? This is the design your digitizer sends to you, then you saving it and then sending it to the shared folder that sends it Wi-Fi to your machine. And all you do is just, of course, click your folder, then click this one, and then here's your folder, your shared folder, and then the designs that you have. Now, I'm kind of debating if I should keep them here or just delete them when I'm not using them. I don't know yet, because I don't want to have so many designs here saved. So, I guess when the customer comes back, I just go to the saved folder and then just send it here. That way, I have it clean. So yeah, right now I have like 3 designs on this folder, but I've been deleting designs when I'm done. But yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see. I get a lot of messages through my Instagram on, hey, how do you do this? How do you do that? And I figured I'll start making videos for you guys to show you, because it's a little easier to do videos than going back and forth messaging, because then it stops me with production. As you guys see, I am myself. I have no employees. So when I'm doing embroidery, I get a message. I kind of have to step away from the machine and then, get my phone and answer your messages. And, that takes a lot of my time. So I figured, you know what? Ask me your questions on DM, leave me your comments. And then what I'll do is I'll try to make a video and then that way you guys can watch it. Again, that's the summit. And of course, my name is Cortez with Embroidery by Cortez. And we'll see you next time, guys. Peace.